Apple has been the undisputed leader of wearable tech for years, but 2025 brings something radically different, more daring, edge-pushing, and profoundly intelligent. With the unveiling of the Apple Watch Ultra 3, Apple isn't merely upgrading its rugged flagship, it's reinventing it from the inside out. This marks a pivotal moment in the wearables revolution and mainstream gadget innovation. Previously geared toward extreme athletes and outdoor explorers, the Ultra line now expands its mission. Whether trekking rugged trails, competing in triathlons, or managing complex wellness priorities, this device transforms into an essential daily survival and health lifestyle smart hub. It's not just a rugged wearable anymore, it's a versatile, everyday powerhouse. Upgrade 1. Blood pressure awareness and trend-based hypertension alerts. The headline feature, non-invasive blood pressure trend detection. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a prevention-focused innovation for modern health tracking. Hypertension is famously silent yet deadly, and early detection is key. Ultra 3 makes habitual health monitoring intuitive, discreet, and actionable. Instead of clinical-grade systolic/diastolic values, the Ultra 3 offers trend-based insights powered by advanced photoplethysmography upgrades, pulse wave velocity analysis, heart rate variability tracking, and vessel behavior metrics. Over days and weeks it spotlights patterns, offering personalized alerts like, recent trends suggest elevated blood pressure, consider a medical checkup. Apple is navigating regulatory boundaries wisely, delivering preventive cues without attempting medical diagnosis certification. The synergy with Apple Health, enhanced by Apple Intelligence and watchOS 26, allows for auto-computed lifestyle nudges, sleep-based rest reminders, stress-aware tips, movement prompts, and even nutrition cues. This shifts the Ultra into a full-spectrum health companion, blending preventive health habits, wellness coaching, and diagnostics avoidance. In effect, a wellness tracking breakthrough in health tech innovation for everyday users. Upgrade 2. Truly off-grid satellite messaging. Ultra 3 introduces full two-way satellite messaging, the first Apple wearable to offer reliable communication when cellular or Wi-Fi are simply unavailable. This is more than convenience. It's a survival-grade innovation for deep wilderness, offshore sailors, solo travelers, and extreme condition explorers. While iPhone 14, and enhanced in iOS 18, started Apple's satellite SOS journey, Ultra 3 extends that to the wrist. Through global satellite networks, users can send emergency texts, location info, and basic replies, all independent from their iPhones, ideal for hikers caught off trail, drone photographers, rural dwellers, disaster survivors, or ocean-going adventurers. Ultra 3 gives life-saving communication in total isolation. With location sharing, predefined quick reply options, and status check-ins, it's built into Apple's broader safety and emergency SOS ecosystem, integrated with fall detection, crash alerts, and siren mode. A truly standalone lifeline on your wrist. Even a week-long backcountry trek is possible with just the watch. Satellite messaging now becomes a mainstream smart safety innovation. Upgrade 3, Energy Smart 5G RedCap connectivity. Less flashy but no less powerful is the integration of 5G RedCap connectivity, the trimmed, low-power version of 5G networks. Optimized for tiny wearables. Traditional 5G is too power-hungry, RedCap is efficient, lean, and perfect for the Ultra's wrist form factor. Faster responses to streaming music, cloud-based apps like Fitness Plus, seamless Siri interaction, real-time GPS, and higher reliability in crowded zones like airports, city centers, or stadiums. Bluetooth and LTE limitations fade. And because RedCap is optimized for power efficiency, battery drain is minimal. Stream Apple Music, respond to messages, receive AI-powered coaching or updates via cloud apps, without tethering to your iPhone. Ultra 3 becomes a truly standalone computing device, reflecting a vision where smartwatches aren't accessories, they're independent intelligent tools. This next-gen connectivity boost converts the Ultra into a full-on portable smart platform rooted in cloud integration, wireless momentum, and mobile independence. Final wrap and secondary innovations. These three core features take the Ultra 3 from a rugged elite wearable to a real marvel of digital lifestyle integration. But there's more. Expect the new S10 system-on-chip, ultra-efficient micro-LED display enhancements, extended battery longevity, deeper Apple Intelligence with AI-driven recommendations, and refined watchOS 26 enhancements. Optional. New titanium finishes, think forest green or midnight titanium, pack durability with style. Additional highlights include expanded diving capabilities, the night mode red light screen for low visibility comfort, and updated action button customization for quick access to modes like siren or depth logs, features inherited from earlier Ultra versions but now deeply refined.